In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to a PayPal account. We'll walk through the entire process from start to finish, whether you're using the PayPal app on your phone or visiting the PayPal website on a computer. The steps are the same and only take a moment. First, open the PayPal app or go to the official PayPal website in your browser. Log into your PayPal account using your usual details. If you have extra security turned on, complete any verification prompts so your account stays protected. Once you're in, look for the Send and Request option and select it. This is where you start a payment. In the field provided, enter the recipient's email address or mobile number that's linked to their PayPal account. Take a second to double check spelling and numbers because payments sent to the wrong address may be hard to recover. Next, enter the amount you want to send. If you're sending internationally, PayPal may display the currency and any applicable conversion information here so you know exactly what will be charged. You'll now choose the payment type. Pick friends and family when you're sending money to someone you know personally. This option is typically free when you use your PayPal balance or a linked bank account. If you're paying for a purchase, select goods and services. This option includes PayPal's buyer protection and may have fees, which are shown before you send. Choose the option that fits the reason for your payment to ensure you have the right protections. After that, select your funding source. You can pay from your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a debit or credit card. Your choice can affect fees and how the transaction is processed, and PayPal will display any charges up front so there are no surprises. Before you finalize, review the transaction details carefully. Confirm the recipient's email or number, the amount, the payment type, your funding method, and any fees displayed. When everything looks correct, tap or click Send to complete the transfer. You'll see a confirmation on the screen once the money has been sent successfully. That's it. The recipient will receive the money instantly in their PayPal account, and they can use it or move it to their bank according to their own settings. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.